travel to Rwanda?
I don't know.
You don't know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Then he also said the president is in support of this impeachment. You heard him say that?
Yes.
Do you know anything about that?
I don't know,
Oh,
but I just believe they are those are blackmails.
Okay,
I don't
and
know.
do you know somebody called Hesbon?
Hesbon is my predecessor.
The one you took over the office from as an MCA?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And so that's a fact that is not...
That's a fact.
Okay. And you also said he's the motion mover in the clip.
Yes.
Is he in fact the motion mover in this case?
Yes.
And so, are you friends? With
Rokonyi is a colleague. He has been a friend. But you can allow me say this.
Yes.
He has been fighting me on some instances because he's my successor as chair finance. I was the chair finance before the first impeachment of the governor. Yes. So that is when he moved the motion, he took my position.
So you will
as an offer, just like he had said that he will reward me with the position of chair labor.
So it is your testimony that if you cooperate with the speaker, when he cooperated with the speaker to move the first motion, he was rewarded with chairmanship of finance.
Yes.
And if you had cooperated to swear an affidavit to say you had voted, you would have been rewarded with the chairmanship of labor.
Next week I would have been the chair labor.
From next week you'd already be a chair?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I would like us to move on to the next issue, the question of procedure used to on the division on the impeachment of the governor. So it is your testimony that the electronic voting was made, the decision to use electronic voting was made that morning?
Some few minutes to voting.
Okay. And you said you raised an objection to that?
Yes.
And how was that question as to whether or not to use electronic voting taken up?
The speaker read standing orders number 79, and he explained that we are supposed to use electronic voting.
Yes.
And he read to around subsection 5, and he said you can read the others.
Yes.
Then he put the question. When he put the question, we, the 18 of us, stood for a division.
Yes.
But the speaker was adamant to listen to our voices and proceeded.
And is that captured in
in fact, it's in the video.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would request to play the video clip relating to that process on the question of division.
So, honorable members, pursuant to standing order number 771, unless the speaker, for the convenience of the assembly, otherwise directs, voting on a division in the assembly shall be by electronic voting. Honorable members, electronic voting, unless the speaker, for the convenience of the assembly, otherwise directs, voting on a division in the assembly shall be by the electronic voting. 2, when the speaker directs that an electronic voting to be taken, the division bell shall be rung for not more than 10 minutes, and the assembly shall proceed to a vote at the expiry of the 5 minutes or such further time as the speaker may, for the convenience of the assembly, direct. Number 1, during electronic voting, members shall cast their votes by pressing either the yes, no, or abstain button. 4, at the expiry of the voting, at the expiry of 5 minutes or as soon as the result of the voting appears on the indicator board, the speaker or the chairperson, as the case may be, shall announce the results forthwith. Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to standing order number 8. Will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? Nay. Honorable members, the voting shall be done by electronic as per standing order number 77.
I would like to request the...
You may take your seats so that we proceed.
Thank you. I would request the technical team to just keep that video within reach. Now, Mr. If you could play up to the point where it is feasible that the 18 were standing, please.
The will be done by electronic as per standing order.
If you could freeze it there, could you point out to the honorable senators if indeed the 18 of you were opposed, expressed your opposition?
Yes.
How did you express your opposition?
We stood.
And is it visible on that video? Yeah.
Very visible.
It's very visible. It's the people standing there, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if the clip could just be kept there. So, first of all, the first question I would like to ask you, from that audio, who are the majority, the nays or the yes?
The nays.
If the audio could be played again so that the honorable senators can make their own judgment as to who had the vote.
To it. Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to standing order number 8. Will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay?
Nay. If you could just freeze it there.
Order.
Could you, so it is your wish that the senators apply their own judgment and determine who are the louder by acclamation?
Yes, I trust this House.
Now, the second issue, and so you've demonstrated that 18 of you stood, that the nays were more. If the clip could be played, and honorable senators, I just want you to apply your mind as to whether a declaration was made by the speaker, as to whether the ayes or nays have it, if it could be played now.
To it. Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to standing order number 8. Will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? Nay. Honorable members, the voting shall be done by electronic as per standing order number 77.
Thank you. So did the speaker determine whether the nays or ayes have it?
No.
There was no declaration?
Yes.
Okay. And is it required that he should make that declaration before you proceed?
Yes.
And the reason why he did not make the declaration?
I don't know.
Isn't it because the nays were more?
Yeah, I think so.
And it was inconvenient for his plan?
Yes.
Okay. I would like us to move on to a different issue. So then the voting started after this clip, isn't it?
Yes.
Honorable senators, I very kindly request the capture of those proceedings is at page 255 of volume 1 of the governor's bundle. Those proceedings are captured at page 255 of the governor's bundle. One last thing before we move out of that conversation, Mr. Honorable Kibet. The speaker said that how long would it take to conclude the voting?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. And in actual fact, how many minutes did it take?
11 minutes.
11 minutes. It took 11 minutes.
Yeah.
Contrary to the standing orders.
The standing orders, yes.
Okay. Now, I'd like us to move on to a different issue. So after this, you then moved on to voting, isn't it?
Yes.
And did anybody... So the 18 of you wanted what? What did you want? Were you opposed to the voting? To the voting on that impeachment motion?
Not really.
You are not opposed to making a vote?
Yes.
Okay.
But we wanted a transparent,
yes,
the system where we are used to.
Yes.
That is roll call voting, which is very transparent.
Okay. So you wanted the option to do roll call voting?
Yes.
Does Kericho County standing orders provide for roll call voting?
Yes.
What does it require for roll call voting to occur?
If 5 members stood on a division,
yes,
for a division, then speaker could rule,
yes,
that roll call voting be allowed.
So the moment you have 5 people opposed and insisting on a roll call, you go for roll call. That's your point?
Yes.
From the standing orders?
Yes.
Do you recall that standing order that you are referring to?
It's in standing order number 77, but I don't remember the subsection.
It's standing order number 79. Now, so then the voting started, isn't it?
Yes.
Did anybody then, so what, do you recall who raised the first objection when the real process started?
Okay, Honorable Gabriela.
Yes.
stood
Yes.
and asked the speaker that we have not been trained
Yes.
on this system you are introducing to us now,
Yes.
the electronic system.
Yes.
And the speaker gave a time to make a declaration. But when Honorable Gabriela raised that question,
Yes.
speaker said, I have ruled over that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And said you will be assisted
You will be assisted, yeah.
to use electronic voting.
Correct.
Okay, apart from Honorable Gabriela, did anybody else raise an objection?
So Honorable Kiptegan stood, okay, Paul P.
Paul P.
His nickname is Kiptegan.
Paul B., whose nickname is Kiptagan.
Yes.
Yes.
Stood and said, I abstain.
Yes.
Yeah.
So two people raised objections. Gabriela saying we can't use it because we have not been trained, and Paul B. saying that I want to be on record as abstaining.
Yes.
When the results were eventually brought out, and which is at page 90, Honorable Senators, page 98, did Paul B.'s abstention, was Paul B.'s abstention captured in that?
No.
Okay. Honorable Senators, the Hansard proceedings relating to the complaints by the two Honorable MCS, Paul B. and Gabriela, are at page 256 to 257 of volume 1, volume 1 of the Governor's bundle. If you could be shown that. Now, I want us to go straight to the. Yes, I would like us to go straight to where we are looking at. Honorable Senators, I'm going to the fourth paragraph. The fourth paragraph starts by saying these words: you can proceed to vote one by one. Yes, one by one. And so the voting was supposed to be in what sequence?
We were never told.
No. What does he say there?
Oh, one by one.
So one was to follow the other one, isn't it?
Yes.
And if you voted one by one, would it have been possible to vote
in 5 minutes?
Within a second?
Not possible.
Would it have been possible to vote within 5 minutes?
Not really.
Okay. Now let's proceed then with the audio, with the Hansard. Then it said, we start from here, one by one. Who doesn't have the phone or the tablet? Yes, Honorable Francis Terrer. We start with Honorable Paul B. Is this the Paul B you are talking about?
Yes.
Yes. We start with Honorable Paul B. You can proceed. Honorable Kilbang Ngetich, proceed here so that you can be assisted to log in. Maybe you can come here. Then Honorable Paul B spoke off record. You can see that?
Yes.
Did he speak off record?
No.
And what did he say? When the speaker says, Honorable Paul B spoke off record, what was this? What was it that he said?
I abstained.
I abstained.
Yes.
And so this answer, to the extent to which it says there was off record comment from Paul B, is a manipulation of this answer, isn't it? It's a manipulation.
Yes.
Because indeed he said, I abstain.
Yes.
Okay. And you can support that?
100%.
Okay. Then the next sentence is, Honorable Paul B, even when you abstain, you press the button.
Yes.
Was there, so indeed, Honorable Paul B is, the Honorable Speaker is answering the question from Honorable Paul B, isn't it?
Yes.
And what is the issue that he's answering to? Abstaining, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yet that abstaining is not captured in the Hansard, isn't it?
Very true.
Okay. Now, then he says press the button, isn't it?
Yes.
Was there any button that you could press in that assembly on that day?
No.
There was none. Then let's proceed on. Then there was loud consultation, then order, then the next sentence. There is no shouting, honorable members. Order. You know, honorable members, you can still refer to your standing orders when you are abstaining. Kindly, we are under electronic voting. Page 257. Honorable Gabriela Chemgeno spoke off record. What did Honorable Gabriela Chemgeno say?
She was informing the speaker that we have not been trained on the said system.
And the bit where she's complaining that we've not been trained is what the speaker has edited to say she spoke off record, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And so this answer also has been edited to that extent.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's go on. Honorable Paul B. and Gabriela, I don't know what you want me to do now that you are shouting. Our officers are here to help. You log in with your credentials. Order, honorable members. Voting is ongoing. Kindly don't shout. then loud consultations. Now, I would like then that we go back to...
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, so I would like us to discuss, I would like the technical team.
Yes, Counsel for the County Assembly.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with a lot of respect to my learned friend, Katwa Keegan, I think he has taken it upon himself to testify in this Senate. All the questions that he's asking, they are not questions, but he's actually asking direct question, leading the witness. The witness is not being allowed to testify on his own, but counsel actually wants to testify as though he's a witness himself. We object to this line of leading a witness in examination in chief by asking leading questions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, Counsel for the Governor, I've noted the same. In fact, you tend to pronounce the answer and request the witness to confirm it. You've been in this for far longer than I was. You're senior in this profession. Kindly abide by the rules of evidence in chief when you're leading your witness.
I will, Mr. Speaker, sir. Although yesterday you said it's not necessarily a court process, but I will abide by that, Mr. Speaker, sir. And thank you for the compliment that I'm your senior, Mr. Speaker, sir. Now, I would like the technical team, with your permission, Mr. Speaker, sir, that we play the corresponding video of these proceedings where Mr. B is raising his concerns and Honorable Gabriela is raising her concerns. Just freeze it there for one moment. Just hold on. Who is that who is walking forward?
Paul P.
Is that, could you look at the transcript, page 256, the Hansard?
Yes.
Now, I would like you to look at, you can proceed one by one. Yes, one by one. We start from here, one by one. Who doesn't have the phone or tablet? Yes, Honorable Francis Terrer. We start with Honorable Paul B. Is that the Paul B that the Honorable Speaker is referring to?
Yes, that's Paul B.
Okay. And is he reacting to this invite by the Speaker?
Yes.
Okay. Go on. If it could be played, just pull back once by about a second and then play. Yes, please. That's too far. Just play.
I, Victor Paul B, I abstain.
The Honorable Paul B, abstaining is in, you still press the button.
If you could freeze again. So, you could, what is Paul B saying? You now have been told not to put words in your mouth.
I abstained.
What did he say?
I abstain.
He said, I abstain.
Yes.
Could you look at the answer? Does it capture what he said?
No. Saying Paul P spoke off record.
He said spoke off record. Is that correct? Is it?
Not correct.
Okay. You'll have to struggle a little more to say what he said because I've been told not to say on your behalf. The next, I want us to move on to the next part, page 257. Honorable Gabriela spoke off record. I would like the video to be, if we could be taken where Gabriela is talking. Honorable Gabriela, sorry. Just play the video on.
I, Victor Paul B, I abstain.
The Honorable Paul B, abstaining is in, you still press the button.
I, Victor Paul B, I
Just move on,
abstain.
please.
The Honorable Paul B.
The next clip, please.
What is the concern?
The concern is that you've never been trained on the electronic...
Our officers are here. Order. There should be no noise. Order. But you are logging in with your credentials.
Okay.
Is it a...
Stop there. Could you confirm if